know what's wrong with my hair today. Just ignore my hair, guys. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and today's video is gonna be a very easy makeup tutorial. It is a it is a no foundation makeup look, and it is very easy to achieve, and you all can pull off this look every single day and look flawless and fabulous. So without any more blabbering, I'm just gonna jump into the video. So let's get started. So before starting our makeup, guys, as usual we have to moisturize our face first. For that I am using Garnier Wrinkle Lift Cream, and it is very important to moisturize your face, whether you're oily skin or your dry skin. It is very important to moisturize your face before makeup. So I'm gonna take a generous amount as I have a very dry skin. So on your forehead, your neck, everywhere you have to apply moisturizer. Do not skip this step even if you are oily skin. Then next I'm going to apply some sunscreen. It is by Osea Herbals and it is SPF 50, and it is broad spectrum protection skin whitening with papaya and green tea extracts, and it is a very nice one. Recently I have been using this and it doesn't leave that white cast on your face. I'll just show you. You just have to take very little because it gets your face sweaty otherwise. Sunscreen is very important. Even if it is raining or even if it is cloudy, you don't see any sun outside, you have to apply sunscreen because the UV rays damage your skin, and it is very important to apply sunscreen basically. So before doing any makeup, you should not skip this step and you should apply sunscreen always. See, it doesn't leave any white cast. The formula is very nice, very creamy, and it just, you know, blends into your skin and melts in your skin, and it doesn't leave a white cast behind. That is the best part I like about this sunscreen. Next I'm going to use the primer. It is by Nykaa Prep Me Up. I'm going to link everything down below in the description box as always, and I'm just going to use it wherever I have large pores, so it evens out my skin, because as it is we are not using any foundation, so this step is important, that you make your pores blur. And as it is no foundation makeup, so I am just going to use the concealer to hide few of my imperfections and my dark circles. I have been having a lot of pigmentation lately and these acne scars, so I'm just gonna hide it with the concealer. I'm gonna take my all-time favorite MAC concealer, Studio Fix concealer in the shade NC45, and I'm gonna dab concealer step. If you don't have much of pigmentation and dark circles, you can definitely skip this step. This concealer is beautiful. See how it is just hiding all my dark spots like magic. I have not even used any corrector. It's just this concealer. It is very important to use a full coverage concealer for this look, as we are not going to use any foundation. So with concealer you have to make your skin look even toned, and you know, you have to hide all your dark spots so your skin looks flawless. You can also go for LA Girl or Maybelline's concealer. They are also pretty full coverage, but I like this one, and this is like my perfect skin shade, so I always use this one when I want my full coverage in concealers. Now I am going to take my beauty blender. You can blend it with your fingers also. You can blend it with a stippling brush like the blending brush also. I like blending it with this because it gives a nice natural flawless finish. And you just have to dab it. You don't have to drag it like this. You have to use this dabbing motion. So it is like into your skin you have to dab it. And it will also lift if any extra product you have applied, like, you know, if you have applied concealer extra in some of the portions, so this will definitely lift it and only leave as much as needed on your skin. Now this much of coverage is good for me. It works for me for everyday makeup look. So I'm gonna directly go to the next step, and that is my loose powder. I'm gonna apply loose powder. This is by Maybelline Fit Me. I am in the shade medium, and I'm gonna apply it with the help of powder brush. I'm just gonna take little bit of product. You see that much of product, and I am just gonna set my concealer. You can take little and build gradually. The more coverage if you want, you can take some more and you can build the coverage gradually. Don't directly go in with too much of powder. It will make your face look all the more cakey and whitish. So always go in with a little product. This powder is very nice. For beginners, guys, to invest in this one. It is not that expensive. It's just for it's for 675, I guess, and on Nykaa they always come on discount with this powder. So I'm done with my base with that, and you can see it is looking very soft and even toned. So for everyday makeup look, I think this much of coverage is sufficient, and I'm gonna move on to my eyeshadows. I'm gonna stick to very basic eyeshadow, matte eyeshadows this time, because it is an everyday look and it is a no foundation basic makeup look. So for eyeshadows I am using my Naked 3 palette by Urban Decay, and it is a nice palette which has all the nude shades, and I'm going to use this shade Limit, this one, on all over my eyelid. It comes with a brush, and this brush is very nice. I generally use this brush only when I'm using this palette. So I'm just gonna go all over my eye with this color. I'm gonna keep it very natural and very, like it should match your skin kind of eyeshadow look. I'm not gonna go in with any color for eyeshadow for this look. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm using Miss Claire waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade dark brown, that is 02. You have to go vertical in the starting point of your eyebrow and go horizontal like this. Same I'm going to do here, vertical in the beginning and horizontally. Basically where your eyebrow wave is flowing, your eyebrow hair direction is, you have to just follow that. Do it with a very light hand, because when your eyebrows get very dark it doesn't look good, it looks very artificial. So do it with a very light hand. Now with the help of spoolie, I'm just gonna comb and groom my eyebrows. You have to do it in the beginning vertically and follow your eyebrow shape and comb it. Next I am going to use the white liner for my waterline. I am using NYX white liner pencil. You can skip this step also, it is optional. I like using white liner because it makes my eyes look more open and bigger. So I like using white liner always. Now I am going to use eyeliner for my eyes, and I am using Maybelline's Colossal liner. Next I'm going to use mascara. I love using mascara because it makes your eyes look so good and more open, and it adds that drama. So even if you have not done like full foundation and full makeup, you have just applied your moisturizer compact, always apply mascara. It adds that extra drama to your makeup. And always apply your mascara from the roots, so it looks all the more blown out and very nice it looks. See how beautiful it looks. Just adding mascara just changes your look completely. Now I'm going to apply blush. I love using blush because it makes your skin look so flushed out, nice and pinky. So I really like blush. blush is my favorite makeup product. So I'm using Colossal blush, Maybelline Colossal blush in the shade Coral. This is a very nice peachy orange coral shade, and it gives you a very natural look. So you have to apply it on the apple of your cheeks and do it in a circular motion and lift up like this. I love that pinkiness that blush adds to your cheeks. It looks just perfect, so nice. I like to apply some left on my nose also. Don't apply too much on your nose because it will look like a clown. For bronzing my face, I'm using Maybelline's Master Contour Palette, and I'm using this shade. It is in the shade light to medium. So I'm just gonna take it on the flat brush like this, and I'm gonna do it where you feel your hollow space here. You have to apply it there and drag it like this down. I have a really big forehead, so I generally apply it on my forehead also, like completely in this C shape. Generally, people who have smaller forehead should not apply it here on complete forehead. You can just apply it on the sides like this and apply it in your hairline. Till your hairline you apply it. So I have a big forehead, so I apply it like completely on my forehead. And then I like to apply some on my nose. It gives a nice shape to your nose. And take it all the way to your eyebrows. So my another favorite makeup product is the highlighter. I love highlighters. It just adds that glow to your face, and I love about it. I'm using Wet n Wild's Mega Glow highlighting powder, and it is in the shade Precious Petals. It's a very beautiful highlighter. I have recently got it and I'm in love with it. So I'm just going to take it on the fan brush like this. You can use bigger highlighter brushes also. I like using it with this one because it picks a very little product, and the amount is sufficient. You see that glow? Oh god, I love highlighters. I like to do it on my eyebrow line also, like this, and on my cheeks, on the upper portion of my cheeks. So you go like this and this. So it gives you that complete, when you look from the side, it gives you that complete highlighted look. So it looks very nice. I love this highlighter, man. It is so beautiful. And I'm just gonna put some on my nose, bridge of my nose. Basically you have to put it on the high points of your face, so they are highlighted. Some on my forehead, only in the center, not the complete forehead, and on the cupid bones. See how instantly it has added that glow to your face, and it looks so stunning, so amazing. Now because we have kept the whole look very subtle and very nude and very basic, and we have not added any color to our face, so I wanted to add a pop of color in lipstick. So I'm going to use my favorite Flat Out Fabulous lipstick by MAC, and it is an amazing one. It will add that required color to your face. Now we are done with our makeup, guys, so I am just going to add a face mist. It is by Indulge Essentials, and it's a very nice one. It smells so good, and I'm just going to let it dry. So this is the final look, guys. Do let me know your reviews about this look in the comments down below, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, do subscribe to my channel. and I'm going to share my Instagram handle with you all in the description down below. So do check that out and do follow me on Instagram as well. And I'm going to share all the links of the products that I have used in this video. So do check my description box for that. I love you all. You all have been so humble and so supportive, and it motivates me and inspires me a lot. Your comments and your likes to all my videos inspire me a lot to make more videos. So keep it going, and I love you all, and happy festivities to you all. I'm going to be back with my next video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.